Namaskar. Supreme Court in the case of Joginder versus State of Haryana observed that people in illegal occupation of government or panchayat land cannot as a matter of right claim regularization of the land. The regularization of land can only be done as per the policy of the state government or as per conditions laid down in the rules.
The Honorable Allahabad High Court has ordered to reinstate the Home Guard who was fired because of his sexual orientation. The court observed that as long as queer partners display their affection with decency in public setups, they cannot be bogged down by the majority perception as sexual orientation is a person's individual choice.
A plea was filed by Advocate Sanjay Kumar Pathak before the Supreme Court urging it to declare Section 124A of the Indian Penal Code ultra vires the Constitution. The plea stated that a colonial provision like Section 124A, which was brought in and intended to subjugate subjects of the British Crown, should not be allowed to continue in a democratic republic, especially in view of the ever-expanding scope of fundamental rights.
The Honorable Madras High Court has rejected to grant a stay on web series Tandav, observing that internet provides a wide variety of contents for the viewers to decide from and decide what they wish to watch and what they did not wish to watch.
A full bench of the Madras High Court has held that recommendations by the State Human Rights Commission under Section 18 of the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993 is binding on the government or authority.
The central government has decided to not take any actions against the speech of TMC MP Mahua Moitra in the parliament, which was criticized by some members for bringing up the sexual harassment allegations levelled against the former CJI and MP Ranjan Gogoi.
The Supreme Court observed that recruitment of candidates in excess of the notified vacancies will be in violation of Article 14 and 16(1) of the Constitution. This comes after the Maharashtra government had notified 828 vacancies for promotion to the post of police sub-inspector through the LDCE examinations of 2016. However, in a later government resolution had notified the policy to recruit 636 additional candidates who had secured more than 230 marks in the LDCE examinations.
Union Law Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad has stated that the misuse of social media platforms for spreading violence and fake news will not be tolerated, and companies will have to abide by the Indian law and the constitution of the country. He further stated that Twitter has already been tagged and the government is working on formulation of new guidelines to ensure compliance with the Indian laws.
The Andhra Pradesh High Court stayed an order of the State Election Commission directing the house arrest of the State Minister for Panchayat Raj and Rural Development P. Ramachandra Reddy. This comes after the minister challenged the decision in the High Court. The High Court observed that the State Election Commission did not have the power to direct for such an house arrest. However, upheld the decision of the Commission to restrict the minister from speaking to the press for 15 days till the election process is over.
That was all for this week's bulletin. Thank you and have a wonderful week ahead.